Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing these two UAG plasma series cases for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So guys, here's my OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the base variant in the grey color. It looks stunning and it is made of very good materials, Corning Gorilla Glass on the front and back, but still it is super slippery and a fingerprint magnet, and you definitely need a case for that. So if you're in the market for the best protection, these are the UAG plasma series cases that are available right now in India. You can buy it on Amazon or Flipkart or directly from the official seller itself from their official website called GreedyTech, and you can get up to 10% of discount if you purchase anything over 500 rupees, and you can also check out this widget to get up to 13% of discount. So that's where you can find these cases. Now on the box, these cases are priced at 2200 rupees, but right now it's probably on a sale. You can get it for about 1700 rupees. That's on Flipkart or Amazon. On GreedyTech you can get up to 10% or 13% of discount. Now with that said, let's unbox it and see how good these are. So these are the ice and ash color plasma series cases. Right now only the plasma series cases are available in India for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and other series, especially the Monarch series, might come in few weeks. So these are the two cases. They are drop tested, they are military grade certified. They also have this scratch pad on the back which prevents scratches and definitely protects your phone. So out of these two cases, I'll try this case. So here's my OnePlus 7 Pro. One of the best thing about these cases, they are very easy to fit, and as I've already told you, they are drop tested and drop proof, and you can basically do things like that and don't have to worry about your phone. I'm pretty sure you can drop it even further. Anyway, this is the case, and with the case on, buttons are still clickable. They have a nice clicky feel to them. Even the alert slider is easily accessible and it's pretty easy to use. It has all the cutouts and a pretty huge cutout for the selfie camera. So all the cutouts are cleared, and most importantly, it has a pretty huge raised lip for the camera module. So even when you place your phone directly on its back, or even if you drop your phone on its back, camera module is still very well protected. Even on the front, it has a raised lip for the display, so you can see it over here. So even when you place your phone directly on its face like that, display won't get scratched or damaged. So this is the UAG case. Now let's have a closer look at this case. So guys, these are the two cases available right now for the OnePlus 7 Pro. By the way, I forgot to mention in the beginning, I am also doing a giveaway. I'll be giving away one of these cases. So to participate, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and finally leave a comment on our Instagram for the picture of these UAG cases. I'll pick a random winner in a week and contact you. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy these cases, link for that is in the description. Do check them out. And as I've said, if you want the best deal, check out GreedyTech's website. Link is in the description. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy these cases or the OnePlus 7 Pro itself, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.